Today, we are going to learn about one of USA's leading pharmaceutical company, Wyeth. Let us know this company in a much better way. Wyeth, formerly one of the companies owned by American Home Products Corporation, AHP, was a pharmaceutical company. The company was based in Madison, New Jersey, USA. They were known for manufacturing the over-the-top counter OTC drugs Robitussin and the analgesic Advil, as well as the prescription drugs Premarin and Effexor, which both boast over $3 billion in sales annually. On January 23, 2009, the Wall Street Journal reported that Pfizer was in talks to buy Wyeth at a cost of $68 billion. On January 25, Pfizer agreed to the purchase, a deal financed with cash, shares and loans. The deal was completed on October 15, 2009. In 1860, pharmacists John 1834 to 1907 and Frank Wyeth opened a drugstore with a small research lab on Walnut Street in Philadelphia. In 1862, on the suggestion of doctors, they began to manufacture large quantities of commonly ordered medicines. They were successful, and in 1864, they began supplying medicines and beef extract to the Union Army during the Civil War. In 1935, Alvin G. Brush, a certified public accountant, became CEO of the organization and served for 30 years. Under Brush's leadership, 34 new companies were acquired in 15 years, including Chef Boyardee and the SMA Corporation, a pharmaceutical firm specializing in infant formulas. Wyeth also made its first licensing deal, acquiring an antibiotic for arthritis vaccine research. On March 11, 2002, American Home Products changed its name to Wyeth, having spun off unrelated businesses in order to focus on pharmaceuticals. Wyeth, as a corporation, filed a citizen's complaint with United States FDA on October 16, 2005, requesting that the US FDA take action against pharmacies who compound, manufacture or sell unlicensed bioidentical hormone replacement therapy drugs to their patients. Specifically, Wyeth asserted that BHRT drugs are not licensed by the FDA according to Section 505 of the Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act, misbranded and adulterated per Section 501 and 502 of 21 U.S.C. Paragraphs 351, 352 and 355. Drug manufacturers are required to demonstrate through clinical trials and marketed drugs are safe and efficacious, a process that BHRT drugs have not undergone. If honored, the request would require the same safety and efficacy data for those primarily engaged in alternative medicine. Wyeth, now the name of the infant nutrition division of Pfizer, was bought by Nestle.
When we think of Wyeth, we'll always see everybody in this room who built our legacy. Tops help to seal our place in history. There's a lot that we will miss when it's all just memories. We look back tonight with pride. For all you've done worldwide. So much success none of it by chance. It's all that hard work that we've all done in our plants. It's because of you, so I hope you feel that Pfizer's really getting one heck of a deal. We look back tonight with pride. For all you've done worldwide. It doesn't matter if our logo's blue instead. There is a part of us that will always be red. When we think of Wyeth, we'll always see everybody in this room helped build our legacy. It's because of you, so I hope you feel that Pfizer's really getting one heck of a deal.
Wyeth Consumer Healthcare, formerly Whitehall Robbins Consumer Healthcare, operates in over 65 countries. The division had sales of $2.5 billion in 2004 and is the fifth largest over-the-counter health products company in the world. Wyeth Pharmaceuticals, formerly Wyeth Laboratories, is the original company founded by the Wyeth brothers, originally known as John Wyeth and Brother. They focus on the research, development, and marketing of prescription drugs. Fort Dodge Animal Health was founded in 1912 by Daniel E. Bogman as Fort Dodge Serum Company. The company was established in Fort Dodge, Iowa, to manufacture hog cholera serum. It became a division of American Home Products, now Wyeth, in 1945. Prevnar was approved by the US FDA on February 17, 2000 for the immunization of infants at 2, 4, 6 and 12 to 15 months of age to prevent invasive pneumococcal disease. On July 1, 2006, Wyeth launched Prevnar, its international vaccine for invasive pneumococcal disease (IPD) in India. Prevnar is the first and only pneumococcal conjugate vaccine for infants and children which protects against pneumococcal disease like meningitis, bacterial pneumonia, septicemia, and bacteremia, bacteria in the blood. A whistleblower suit was filed against Wyeth in 2005, alleging that the company illegally marketed their drug, Rapamune. Wyeth is targeted in the suit for off-label marketing, targeting specific doctors and medical facilities to increase sales of Rapamune, trying to get current transplant patients to change from their current transplant drugs to Rapamune, and for specifically targeting African Americans. According to whistleblowers, Wyeth also provided doctors and hospitals with kickbacks to prescribe the drug in the form of grants, donations, and other money. A US House of Representatives committee led by Rep. Adolphus Towns is investigating Wyeth for these abuses. Wyeth was sued for its marketing of Premro, a hormone replacement therapy which was implicated in the cancers of 14,000 patients. Wyeth was particularly criticized by observers for its use of ghostwriters to put their names to research papers that Wyeth had paid a third-party design right to prepare. The drug combination fenfluramine, phentermine, usually called fen, was an anti-obesity treatment. Fenfluramine was marketed by Wyeth as Pondimin but was shown to cause potentially fatal pulmonary hypertension and heart valve problems. So students, we went through company's history to its present market scenario. Hope you must have got useful information about the company. Have a good day ahead.